I was turning left, and I guess someone blew past a red light and T-boned us, me and my kids. I was bleeding from my face. One of my girls said she couldn't walk on her leg. Everybody kind of had bruises and, you know, a limp and stuff. My dad had called. He was in panic and he was like, I've seen really good reviews. I called and set it up. Somebody's gonna be reaching out to you. And so my dad did it. It was very pleasant, very fast, easy. I was knowledgeable about everything. They kept me in the loop, so it was very good. It was mainly Jasmine, yes. Very well. I was able to text her, call when I had any concerns or anything, and she got right back to me. I most definitely would. No, everything was pretty good, very fast, like I said. You knew everything along the way, so.